Hello guys, welcome to this video. We are going to look at part 1 and part 2 of the GoTranscript exams, okay? So let's start with the must complete quiz where you must score 100%, okay? So in the first question, which forms are not appropriate to use for affirmations in full verbatim? So this one is wrong. And this one is wrong, and this one is wrong, okay? So the other three, they are okay. So number 2, please read the guidelines before filling in the application form, filling out the application form. So both these two are correct, all right? What is a correct format of the website links? Yes, so that is the correct format, okay? Number 4, I adore you and your smile, okay? Number 5, a transcriber should italicize foreign expressions, TV and radio programs, and song titles, all right? That is what you should italicize, all right? Please make sure you read the GoTranscript guidelines, okay? Number 6, the girl is in her late 20s. So that is the correct answer. I dashed to the gym last night. I went to the gym last night. I went to the gym last night. Number 8, how should you mark an incomplete thought due to change of thought or incomplete sentence that add extra information? I would like to go to Colombia. Yes, I love Spanish and Colombia. So this looks like it's correct. This one is not correct. This one is not correct. Definitely not correct. And then this one is not change of thought. So number A is correct. Number 9, which is the correct format according to GT guidelines? Yes, so this one you must know direct quotations and spelling, okay? So she came to me and said, I am from Mozambique. So this one looks about right. This one is almost correct but does not have quotation marks, so that one is wrong. This one spells wrongly, also this one is spelled wrongly. So number 10, if I were a boy, I dash understand. I could understand. If I were a boy, I could understand. Okay? So let's click confirm and see whether we have scored all correctly. So bridges.
This audio is used for the transcriber test packet.
All right, guys, as you can see, we have passed the first part, the must complete quiz, and we have scored 100%. And that's why we are seeing this audio test. So this is the second part, the audio test. Okay, guys. So in this part, please keep in mind they want to see whether you have read their guidelines, and please make sure to follow their guidelines. And this part must be done in clean verbatim. Okay, guys. So I am going to transcribe the text, and then we can go over the texts together so that you can see how I have transcribed. Okay, guys? So, see you in a minute. Hello, guys. So, I have already transcribed the audio, and here is my results. Here is my text. So, we are going to go through it together, and you can see how I have transcribed it, okay? I'm going to explain some of the areas where I think are very, very much of concern. Areas where the editor or the company is going to look keenly. Okay, so let's play the audio.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Way back in the 70s, a concert featuring a popular rock band comprising 70 members drew in over 1,500 people to the town's square. Many attendees were excited to see their favorite musicians perform live and danced along to their hits, including everything from their album 70 Maniacs from the 70s. However, the large crowd caused some safety concerns, and the local police had to intervene to ensure everyone's well-being. Despite the chaos, the concert-goers had a fantastic time, and some still reminisce about the event today. During an interview with a musician who rose to fame in the 70s, he shared a funny...
So guys, you remember GoTranscript says you should try to separate a long paragraph into smaller paragraphs. So I think in this transition here, or during this part, I think it's best to put in a new paragraph, okay? Because it's like the speaker is speaking another, is bringing in another point, okay? So I think this is the best part to put another paragraph. Yes, so let's continue.
Heard a funny story from his early a musician who rose to fame in the 70s. He shared a funny story from his early days on tour. He recalled how, during one show, he forgot the lyrics to a song and ended up ad-libbing, saying...
So you see here the word ad-libbing. This is one of the key points. So you should research what is ad-libbing and how it is spelled, yes? How it is spelled so that you write the correct word, okay? Yes, let's continue.
Saying, I'm going to sing something new now. The audience loved the unexpected twist.
So here we are quoting the singer. So we must put quotation marks.
And the improv.
I mean, we must put quotation marks. So he's saying, I am going to sing something new now. So let me put quotation marks there. Yes, so I think that is very important, okay? Let's continue.
And the impromptu line ended up becoming a famous catchphrase associated with the artist. Ironically, the fame of the catchphrase outlasted that of the musician, who hasn't been heard from since the early 80s. A focus group was conducted to gather feedback on an...
So, as you can see, guys, the speaker is getting into another point. So I think this is another best place to put a new paragraph, okay? So let's continue.
Back on a new commercial for a popular shoe store called Shoe Betcha, named after a throwaway line from Fox TV's Married with Children.
So another key point, as you can see here, the speaker is saying Fox TV's Married with Children. So this is a title of a movie. This is a title of a movie. And so, guys, you must italicize. You must italicize. And Married with Children, many people are not putting these three dots, okay? But when you Google the TV show, as you can see here, the TV show has the three dots, okay? You can see here, married, ... with children. So it is very important to Google and see the exact words. You can see here. This is IMDb, married, ... with children, okay? Yes, so that is the correct spelling. So let's continue.
Children, starring the inimitable Ed O'Neill. The ad featured a young athlete running through various obstacles while saying, quote, "Shoe betcha, I'm going to crush this course." Course.
So as you can see in this quotation, I have put in this quotation, I have put I am gonna. So normally in in clean verbatim, we should the guidelines state that we should change this gonna and put going to. But in this particular audio, I'm going to explain why I have kept the gonna. Yes, as we are going to see earlier. Later in this audio. Let's continue.
Unquote. The participants generally found the commercial motivating and inspiring, but some suggested that the lines sounded too scripted and could be improved by making it sound more natural. Alternate lines such as, quote, "Shoo betcha, I'm gonna run around."
You can also see here, I've still kept the gonna instead of writing going to, and we are going to see why that is so, okay? Why that is correct, okay? So let's continue. And then, guys, these are direct quotations, and so they must be kept in. We must use the quotation marks, okay? Let's continue.
Run around this track a few times and get a really good time, unquote, were also rejected as being, well, pretty boring. Here's a transcriber tidbit for you. Twice in this audio, I've pronounced the words, quote, going to, unquote, as, quote, gonna, unquote. In GoTranscript's clean verbatim style, quote, going to, unquote, is the correct transcription. However, in the two quotes above, I'd prefer you use, quote, gonna, unquote, because that's what the speaker actually says. However, unless client instructions say otherwise, normally it's better to say, quote, going to, unquote, and you can quote me on that.
So, guys, that is the reason. This is because the speaker is giving instructions on what to do in the transcript. Yes. So you can see here, the speaker confirms that we must, in clean verbatim style, we must write going to. That is the correct transcription. But in this particular audio, he prefers you use gonna. Since that is what the speaker actually says. And then he goes on, is it a she? The speaker goes on to say that unless the client says otherwise, normally it's better to say going to. So this is very tricky part. This is a very tricky part, and this is where most people fail. And for that reason, I would say you must be very careful with this part, because this part has two sections. The speaker wants you to obey the instructions or to follow the instructions and change whatever you had written above there. Yes, because initially I had written going to, but due to these instructions I went back and changed it to gonna. Okay. Yes, so that is it, guys. Let's finish the audio.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Yes, guys, so that is the audio, that is the transcript. To me, this one is very good transcript. I would not recommend you guys to copy paste. This text and put it in, because GoTranscript will detect that you have not typed in the exam of the words. Yeah. So it is better you type the whole thing and make changes where you can. If you see something wrong in this audio text, please make changes. For instance, I would like you guys, you see here when the speaker is saying including everything from their album 70 Maniacs from 70s. So a little bit of work for you guys. So it's better, I want you guys to research whether 70 Maniacs from the 70s is a real album. So if it is a real album, then this is the title of the album and it must be italicized, you know. So I want you guys to do a research and check whether this is a title, whether this is a title of the album. If it is 70 Maniacs, please italicize it. If it's not, then it can remain the way it is, okay? So guys, you can change a few punctuations here and there, especially the commas, where you feel I've not put correctly, or put your own. I'm just saying, try to be unique and don't copy mine 100%. Try to be unique, don't copy mine 100%. So guys, with that, I'm going to wish you all the best. Please subscribe and share this video, and comment if you have any question. I will try my best to reply, and I wish you all the best, guys. See you in the next video.